Sí. X, Y, G de animalito. Sí.
I approached my students with the idea of tutoring the custodians, and they were wonderful. They said they would love to do it, and so if there is a student in the Honor Society that has fifth period release, they come every Wednesday, and we teach the 4 custodians, and then I teach 1 custodian because he's more advanced. But we're trying to start them to be comfortable in English, to be comfortable in speaking English, and they're starting from the very bottom. We're starting with the letters, we're starting with the alphabet, the letters, the numbers, hi, how are you, what are you doing today, family, everything from the very bottom. So it's a beginner class.
What language do you speak?
What language does she
I
speak?
or you from
The U.S. She speaks
Spanish.
I speak Spanish.
I speak Spanish.
It's definitely a different experience being on the other side of the chalkboard, actually teaching the custodians instead of having the custodians or anyone else older than us teach us. It's an extremely rewarding opportunity that I think I've been given to give back to a group of people that are honestly very underappreciated for everything that they do, because they do a lot around school.
Hi, my name is Martina.
To know about a good way to avoid the stress or waiting in line, staying home.
That's a good advice, right?
Yeah.
That's good advice.
You know,
Do you like to
you
stay?
want to know a good way to avoid the stress of waiting in line, staying home.
Stay
That's
home.
good. Man, my goal is to speak English because we are in the class, and I am trying to speak English because my language is Spanish. I come from Mexico, and when we come to this country, we don't speak English. And now I am in the class, the English class, and I am trying to speak better English.